So you may be in a position where TikTok keeps removing your posts on TikTok. Now, this happens to me, at least it happens to me all the time, but I found an interesting thing that may end up fixing it, which is so weird. So essentially what happens is, first of all, if you're posting a bunch of, inappropriate TikToks or stuff that can be deemed inappropriate from TikTok, via an algorithm that they have, well then it's going to be really hard to circumvent that. So if you're actually doing things that are against the terms of service, then I would 100% recommend, just kind of not doing it or getting prepared to have your account deleted because there's no way to work around that. But if you're posting normal type of content, meaning things that aren't against their terms of service, whether they're normal to you, if they're against the terms of service, then they're not going to allow you to post it. So essentially what happened in my case was that I would constantly keep posting these types of TikToks that I've been doing. Some of you guys may have seen them, and random ones would get deleted. Sometimes about Subway Surfers, which is random. I'll have the randomest things, and this stuff isn't really deemed against their terms of service. So essentially what happened was I would keep getting notified, basically these types of notifications saying system notification, my thing has been, deleted. And essentially what I would have to do was I would have to go ahead and click on that specific TikTok. So essentially if it was like this one or whatever, so essentially if it was this one or whatever, I would have to go ahead and appeal these TikToks. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, if they're deleted and if they remove the post, I would have a little button that would allow me to appeal that decision. You may have seen it in this one too, if you see. And essentially what I did was I would appeal it and I would still get videos that were removed. So it would be like every week or every few days I would have to appeal and appeal. It's actually been I think about 2-3 weeks now or even a month now since I had another violation like this. So I think the way to go ahead and pretty much appeal, so I think the best way to go ahead and just have TikTok stop removing your posts is to appeal that decision from TikTok, making sure that you actually believe that, it's not against terms of service. And whenever that happens, the algorithm that they have keeps getting smarter and smarter. And over time, I truly do believe that your TikToks will stop getting, deleted. In my position, I mean, I'm not even that, big on TikTok, and I've been posting the same exact stuff, and none of my stuff has been deemed community guideline strikes or anything like that on TikTok anymore. So that's probably what I would recommend doing. Just keep appealing those decisions. The algorithm will get smarter, and then over time it'll probably stop picking up your videos, and they probably will whitelist your specific account. So that's how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out.